7 years na, and kung ipapaterminate ko, ano pa mangyayari and process. So I suppose you're talking about a VUL plan. Alright, whatever product that is, if it's a VUL, at kung 7 years ka na nakakahulog, for most companies like AIA, most of our products, 10 years yung withdrawal charges. So if you withdraw, may mababawas pa, like 10% kung naka 7 years ka pa lang. Right? Let's say may 100,000 account value, withdraw mo, 90 na lang yung matitira sa'yo. And then, whenever you terminate and withdraw, no, for sure meron yan account value kung 7 years ka naguhulog. No? May naipon na rin yan. But most of the time, it will be lower than what you paid for. Let's say naghulog ka ng 30,000 a year, naka 7 years ka, 210,000. Baka ang pera mo lang dyan, 150,000 for example. And then you withdraw 150 minus 10%, so 135 na lang yung matitira. And then if you withdraw in full, wala na lahat ng benefits mo. No, kung may life insurance yan, definitely may life insurance yan, wala ka ng life insurance if you withdraw in full. Kung may critical illness coverage yan, wala ka na rin critical illness coverage. Kung may accident insurance yan, wala ka na rin accident insurance. And then, wala na, terminated na yung plan kasi nga, terminate mo na. No? So, hindi mo na ma-reap yung other benefits or other purpose of getting an insurance plan, which is really to insure you up to age 65 or up to age 100 if you may, no, if that's really the goal. And VULs are created like that. No? So, hulog ka ng 7 years or 10 years lang, hoping na yung account value, ini-invest siya para mabayaran yung mga future premiums, masustain niya yung policy. Hindi siya investment para kumita. No? Minsan, rare instances kumikita. Pag naka-timing ka ng tama, sobrang baba over the years and then biglang pumalo pataas. No, but for these types of products, lalo na yung VUL na regular pay, yung regular ka naguhulog, most of the time it will be lower than what you paid for kasi it's for sustainability rather than investment. No, the only investment na VUL is yung one-time na payment like yung monetary ng AIA or Film Life. Hulog ka ng one-time, 1 million. Pag tumaas yung market, kasabay ka. Pag bumaba yung market, negative ka ng konti. No? So, that's investment talaga. No? Para ka nag-invest sa stock market, para kang bumili ng isang stock or isang company. Alright? But kung yung VUL na regularly annual naguhulog ka, it's not really an investment. It's more of insurance. Tapos meron kang emergency fund. You can call that an emergency fund that you can withdraw when you need money pero do not expect na kumita siya.